Clear prop. I was in the Tampa area for only one night. Sadly, my Florida vacation is coming to an end, and while I would love to enjoy the warm weather here a bit longer, it's time for me to return home to Iowa. My expected route today is from Tampa to City intersection, which is a few miles offshore, but within gliding distance from land in case of an engine failure. From City, the route continues on Airway Victor 35 to Pecan VOR, and then on Victor 321 to the Lagrange Vortex, taking me around the southwest side of the busy Atlanta Class Bravo airspace. From there, I go direct to Winchester, Tennessee, which is going to be my fuel stop today on the way home. With several waypoints to enter into the GPS flight plan, I usually depart with just the first 2 or 3 waypoints programmed. There will be plenty of time later to enter the rest, and the route may very well change before I even get there. I have an expected route different from my final route.
Giant 3641, turning north of Charlie.
Right now, just put the first couple of waypoints in. We'll get the
Charlie,
get
Bravo,
on our way, and then program
Alpha 7
the
to your gate.
So,
Charlie,
as
Bravo, Alpha
usual,
7 to the gate, Giant
we'll start with
3641.
the ATIS 126.45.
Tampa International Airport arrival information hotel 13530 Zulu. Wind 280 at 4. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 2,500. Few clouds at 5,000. Temperature 27. 2.21. Altimeter 2989er. Visual approach runway when right in use. Notices to airmen. Runway 19er right, when left closed. Taxiway Whiskey closed between Taxiway Whiskey 1 and Taxiway Whiskey 5. Taxiway Victor closed between Taxiway Victor 7 and Taxiway Victor 8. Taxiway Sierra closed between Taxiway Sierra 2 and Taxiway Romeo 2. Taxiway Uniform closed between runway 19er left and Taxiway Echo. Taxiway Golf closed between runway 10 and Taxiway Sierra. Taxiway Whiskey 2 closed Taxiway Whiskey 3. Closed Taxiway Whiskey 4 closed Taxiway Victor 3 closed Taxiway Victor 8 closed. Taxiway Whiskey closed. Taxiway Victor north of Taxiway Bravo closed. Taxiway Romeo 2 closed.
Might be easier to announce a taxiway so it's still open.
Runway 19er left outer marker out of service. Runway 19er right sequence flashing lights out of service. Runway 19er right. 28 precision approach path indicator out of service. For CPDLC log on use KUSA. Bird activity vicinity airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information hotel.
One right is a very short taxi here from the plane to one right. At large airports, I often do the run-up on the ramp prior to calling ground. That's what I do today here in Tampa too. Then I get my IFR clearance. Tampa clearance, good morning, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Has IFR on file to Winchester, Bravo Golf Foxtrot, ready to copy.
Number 70 Tango Bravo, Tampa clearance. Good afternoon. Do you want to stay over land, or can you go out over a little bit of water?
I can go out over a little bit, say 10 miles or so.
All right, number 0 Tango Bravo, you can plan that routing to be out over the water a little bit on your way. Clear to the Bravo Golf Foxtrot Airport via vectors to SETI, that's Charlie Echo Delta Delta India, then direct cross City, then as filed. On departure, fly heading 310, climb and maintain 1,600. Expect 8,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency It's going to be 118.8, squawk 1376.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, clear to the Winchester Airport via radar vector City, cross city, then asphalt, after takeoff heading 310, climb maintain 1600, expect 8000, 10 minutes after, departure 118.8, squawk 1376.
November 0 Tango Bravo, read back correct, and y'all have a good day.
Thank you, sir. You too. I'll get a little closer to the movement area so that tower can see me there.
Tampa ground, Kia 10 Charlie Sierra for signature.
10 Charlie, roger, straight ahead, right at Romeo 3 to the ramp.
Straight ahead, right at Romeo 3 to the ramp, 10 Charlie.
Then it's time to call the ground controller for taxi instructions. Tampa ground, good morning. Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, information hotel at signature, ready for taxi.
70 Tango Bravo, use caution as traffic inbound to the ramp. You can taxi to 1 right via Foxtrot 2 Delta.
Yeah, I got that King Air in sight. Taxi to 1 right via Foxtrot 2 and Delta, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. I wait for the King Air to get past me, then I start the short taxi to runway 1 right.
Target departure is Victor's current Tampa, altimeter 29er89er.
Okay, here's Foxtrot 2. Clear to the right, clear the left. Okay, we had a transponder code 1376, that is set. 118.8 for departure is on the COM 1.
Ground Spirit Wings 812 on uniform, we're going to Alpha 17.
Spirit 12 is Charlie to the ramp.
Charlie to the ramp, Spirit 812.
Okay, 1 jet on final.
And ground JetBlue 892, we are ready to taxi with India.
Power confirmed frequency 19.5. Yes.
JetBlue 892, roger.
With the landing aircraft on short final, I wait before calling tower. All tower could tell me right now is to hold short.
Number 70 Tango Bravo Tower, you ready?
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, good morning, yes, affirmative, ready for departure 1 right.
Number 70 Tango Bravo, runway 1 right, line up and wait, be ready to go, traffic 4 mile final.
Line up and wait, runway 1 right, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Okay, mixtures in, window closed, lights on.
American 2046, turn left at uniform, ground 4.7.
0.7, have a good day, American 2046.
Turning,
853, radar service terminated, change of proceed approved.
853.
Okay, climb to 1600. Left turn to 310. The next arrival isn't far behind, so I expect my takeoff clearance very shortly.
Zero Tango Bravo, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo.
So wing 39, wind 3405, runway 1 right, clear to land.
And runway 1 right, 89.
Gear up.
Tampa Tower, 7 wings, 91's with you on the 1 right approach.
Sure, 91 Tampa Tower, continue for runway 1 right, 1 departure, right, Bravo.
Continue for 1 right, 7 wings, 91.
My IFR clearance set to fly heading 310 after takeoff.
Zero Tango Bravo, fly heading 310, connect departure. Good day.
310 on departure, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Have a good day, Chief.
Flight 92 Tampa Tower, runway 1 right.
Tampa departure, good morning, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, 1600.
70 Tango Bravo, Tampa departure, radar contact, maintain 3000 for now.
Climb maintain 3000, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo.
And number 0 Tango Bravo, mid altitude to maintain 2000.
2000, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo.
Southwest 1142, counted approach 18.5, good day.
18.5, Southwest 1142, good day.
Delta 1959, request lower and lower when able. Delta 1959, just to maintain 5,000. To maintain 5,000, Delta 1959. 00 Victor, turn left heading 180.
00 Victor, 180.
Number 3 Alpha Hotel, turn left heading at 090, advise Tampa International in sight.
090, runway inside Alpha Hotel.
Number 0 Alpha Hotel, directly overfly the center line for flight 10, continuing heading eastbound.
Alright, 63 Alpha Hotel, west east transition, Alpha Hotel.
Number 00 Victor, contact approach 125.3.
1253, 00 Victor.
November 2 Juliet Alpha, contact approach 125.3.
125.3, Juliet Alpha, goodbye.
Number 3 Alpha Hotel, contact approach 119.9.
99, see ya.
Tampa departure, good morning, JetBlue 892, 1.4 for 6,000. Number 0 Tango Bravo, contact approach 125.3.
125.3, Bonanza Tango Bravo. Have a good day.
JetBlue, degrees left.
Center cruise left and we watch out for the traffic, Juliet Alpha.
November 70 Tango Bravo, climb and maintain 4,000.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo. Climb and maintain 4,000.
Anyone else called on answer taken?
Cessna 1200 Victor is with you, 2000, 180 sign up.
Cessna 1200 Victor, roger. Speed vectors ILS 3669 feet.
Expect those vectors 369 feet, 00 Victor.
Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, contact Tampa now 118.8.
118.8, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo. Tampa approach, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo, 3,500, climbing 4,000, still heading 310.
Number 70 Tango Bravo, Tampa departure, flighting 340, climb and maintain 6,000.
340 and 6,000, Bonanza 70 Tango Bravo.
Southwest 1325, 35, should rep Bapo, contact Jack Center 135.75, good day.
Rep Bapo 3575, Southwest 1325, we'll see you.
United 1263, descend and maintain 11,000.
11,000 and on 1263.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, any chance to continue the climb to 8,000?
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, climb and maintain 8,000, proceed direct cross city.
Climb maintain 8,000 and direct cross city. Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, thank you.
United 1263, descend and maintain 7,000.
Okay, down to 7, 1263.
The rest of the flight to Winchester will be uneventful and in beautiful VFR weather. Later that day, I will find myself unable to continue all the way home to Cedar Rapids, Iowa due to low IMC and unseasonably cold weather in the Midwest. The risk of icing is just too high, and I have to spend a night in St. Louis before continuing home.